Valentine's is coming, so I thought we'd do a nice recipe to win the love of your life's heart through food. It's gonna be easy, delicious, and super simple to make. Now, just know that I use an air fryer for this recipe, but you can use your oven. It might take a little bit of more time, but once you know the adjustments, you're ready to go. Just know all the ingredients that I'll be using and measurements will be down in the description. So go down there if you want to know exactly what I use. In a large bowl, I already added all the dry ingredients. That includes all the seasoning. After that, I add 2 eggs and the oil and start mixing everything up. And I really get down and dirty and put my hands in there. That way everything starts incorporating very well. Kind of just want to have this nice doughy texture. It is kind of still grainy, but you will tell once it's all nice and combined. Make sure to use 2 parchment papers so it won't get stuck to your rolling pin. Just so you guys know, this recipe that I'm making now is actually inspired from a different recipe that I saw online. I basically follow the recipe to the T on how he did it and just kind of made it my own way. Like I made it into a heart. He used a different type of topping. I don't remember. I believe he also used some protein powder for the pizza, but I decided to go with no protein powder because I didn't have unsweetened or unflavored whey protein. So I just decided to go with regular pizza. So here I'm actually shaping the pizza and taking the extra on the side so I can make the crust of the pizza. Now I decided to make it into a heart because obviously I'm making this for Valentine's and I just want to make it cute. If you enjoy videos like this, please don't forget to like the video and comment below what's your take on this type of pizza. Would you try it or do you have something else better? Share with me down in the comments. I would love to hear from you. So this is the finished crust before I threw it in the air fryer. After that, I popped it in the air fryer for a few minutes, about 5 minutes, and let it get a little cooked up while I make the next pizza that I made from gluten-free flour. I added a little bit of adobo, a little bit of parsley, Italian seasoning, baking powder, and oil. And I added the eggs just like the other one and did the same process. Mixed it and then put in my hands in there so it can get nice and doughy. Did the same thing. The only difference is that this one are going to be shaped into smaller size, bite-sized pizzas. First, I'm going to add on the tomato sauce that I made. It was a fresh and homemade one. I can show you guys how to make that in a different video. Cheese after that. Added some turkey pepperoni. Here I'm grabbing the second dough that I have made that I put to the side, and we're just rolling it out so I can cut them into heart shapes with the cookie cutter that I'm going to be using. I was kind of experimenting really, and you can really do whatever you prefer to do. I think just make it in an air fryer. Just is so easy and fast to make it in versus the oven, and it's just a quick way of getting something done, especially if you're in a hurry or a last minute meal. So this is the end result of the pizzas. My goodness, it came out so good, so nice. And I personally love the almond flour one so much, and it's so filling. I had 1 piece of each, and goodness, I was so full. I was just so satisfied. I actually even asked my husband to taste test it just to see, and he actually approved.